Hello from Chef Diamond's Kitchen. How are you all doing? Thanks for clicking on this video. To all my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thanks for your support. Thanks for always liking, commenting, and thanks for coming in again. And to my new subscriber that are just coming in now, of which I know you are going to subscribe, please do that for me and turn on your notification button. Thank you so much. Today I will be sharing egg sauce recipe with potatoes. Please join me as we cook together. Okay guys, let's make this delicious egg sauce together, which I love using to eat my rice, potatoes and bread. Here I have 5 eggs. I have onions, 2 scotch bonnet pepper with half seasoning cubes, some fresh tomatoes and bell pepper. I also have salt to taste and oil to fry. And here I have my potatoes, which I'm going to boil to eat these fried eggs. First of all, I will start by slicing all my vegetables. I will start by slicing the tomatoes first and set aside. After slicing the tomatoes, I will go ahead and remove the seeds from my bell pepper. I will be using half of the bell pepper. Next, I will be slicing my onions. Now I have sliced all the vegetable, including the scotch bonnet pepper, and in a clay pan I will add some vegetable oil and allow heat. Then I will start frying my onions. I will fry these onions for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I have already peeled my potatoes off the camera. Now let's start slicing it. I will slice them and set aside too, because I will be boiling them later to eat the fried sauce. Now let's check on the onions. Now that it's ready, I will be adding the tomatoes and the bell pepper now and stir very well. I will cover and allow fry for about 6 minutes. Meanwhile, let's break in some egg into the bowl. I will add a pinch of salt to it and just stir very well. I will just whisk it together and set aside too. Now let's check on the vegetables. Wow, this is so delicious. It's ready. I will add some salt to it, just a pinch of salt, because I've already added another salt to the egg before. And the half seasoning cube. Before adding the egg. I will just stir before covering and allow fry again for about 5 minutes, lowering the heat. Meanwhile, I have placed my pot of potato in the other part of the gas so that it will be very fast. After the 6 minutes, I checked on the eggs. It's so delicious and it's ready. Hope you will try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share. See you next time in my next video. Goodbye.